In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subtask in Airtable. Airtable is a versatile platform that combines the power of a database with the flexibility of a spreadsheet. It's particularly useful for managing projects and organizing tasks, and adding subtasks can help you track your project progress more intricately. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by navigating over to the Airtable website. Open up your web browser and enter airtable.com into the address bar. Once you reach the home page, you'll see a sign in option in the corner of the screen. Click on that to move to the next step. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to log into your Airtable account. Enter your credentials, your email and password, and sign in. If you can't remember your password, look for any forgot password link typically found on the login page to reset it. Once you are logged in, a screen should appear displaying your Airtable workspaces. To continue, click on continue and you'll be directed inside your account, where you can see all of your bases and tables. Now, the next thing you're going to need to do is locate this specific base table you wish to work with. A base in Airtable is akin to a file that holds a collection of data relevant to one area of your project. Browse through your available bases, find the one you're interested in and click on it. You're now inside your chosen base. Look for the plus sign within this interface labeled as Add Field. You're going to click this plus sign to begin the process of adding a new field that will hold your subtasks. In the field name box that appears, type in subtasks. This will help you identify what this column is used for in your table. Next, you'll be selecting the single line text option when it asks you to choose a data type for your new field. Single line text is a versatile option since your subtasks are likely to be short and descriptive entries. With that done, click on Create Field. This will officially add a new column to your table called Subtasks, specifically set up to hold the subtasks associated with each of your main tasks. To add subtasks, simply click on any of the blank spaces in your newly created Subtasks column. Here you'll type in the details of each subtask. For each main task, enter the relevant subtasks directly into these spaces. Congratulations! You've now successfully set up a system to manage and track subtasks in Airtable, allowing for a more organized approach to handling projects. As you continue to work with these tools, remember that tailoring your system in Airtable to fit your project's needs can improve your workflow significantly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.